right here at Universal Studios. We just need a little more to go.
Entering the park already. I'm so excited.
We've passed the gate.
We're walking on the red carpet.
Right in front of the Kung Fu Panda. We're waiting in line to go to the Kung Fu Panda ride. DreamWorks Theater featuring Kung Fu Panda is a multi-sensory attraction at Universal Studios. Riders will be taken on a thrilling journey presented with cutting-edge technology and awesome visual effects for an immersive experience. The seats in the theater are programmed with motion and physical movements, and there are also wind and water effects, all combined in a fascinating storytelling that surrounds us in a world of adventure.
That could have got better. All right, boys, places. Let's put on a show. Everybody here, right?
Especially these guys in front and maybe that family over there. They're obviously Kung Fu fans. Look! Hang on, everybody. This should be quite a ride. Imperial Palace, here we come. This is so exciting. Oh, watch where you're going. We're going to hit those rocks. Hang on, everybody. According to the map, it's a waterfall.
Done with the ride, it was so fun. We had a big screen and then we sat in a motion chair. It was so real.
All right, good talk. Cheers!
Despicable Me Minion Mayhem is a 3D Ultra HD simulation ride. Before going on the ride, we meet the characters from the Despicable Me movies. We will be joining Gru, his daughters, and the Minions on a heartwarming and thrilling ride. The wild adventure will be started in Gru's home, where we are recruited for his latest scheme. Then we will be launched into an unforgettable trip through his laboratory. What makes this ride more special is that all the character voices in the attraction were performed by the same stars who portrayed those roles in Despicable Me.
You didn't hear that. Anyway, yes, you will be turned into minions. I love that guy. There goes. At first there were a few minor snags.
Next to the Despicable Me Minion Mayhem ride is the Super Silly Funland. This is a Minion-inspired interactive play zone that has a colorful setting with 53 minions and more than 80 different water play features. Next, we will be watching the WaterWorld Stunt show.
Someone take it out!
This is Universal's #1 rated show, in which we will experience an adventure with jumping jet skiers, dangerous plunges, firefights, massive explosions, and an unbelievable plane crash. WaterWorld is definitely a must-see show at Universal Studios Hollywood.
We are going to the special effects show.
In the special effects show, we are taken behind the scenes of famous blockbuster movies to witness stunts, special effects, and movie-making technology. We have a chance to watch Hollywood's best stunt performers and learn the secrets behind movie making, including sounds, illusions, fires, blood, zero-gravity space travel, live animation, and much more. So we're finished with the show. It was so cool. They showed us special effects such as fire, stunts, flying, and sound effects too. We're getting ready to watch a show called Universal's Animal Actors. It's where animals act. Let's go watch it.
Lights. Camera.
We will meet the animal actors who have starred in famous movies such as Dr. Dolittle, Night at the Museum, etc. We will also learn how Hollywood's animal trainers work with their animal actors in the movies.
Look, on the box. On the box. Good boy. Sit. High five. Very nice.
You know what to do? Lights, camera, action. Action.
Hey guys, we're on our way to the studio tour. Let's go. This is known as the world famous studio tour, where we'll be going behind the scenes of the largest and busiest motion picture studio in the world. We're on the studio tour. I'll show you guys what's in it. We will experience flash floods, earthquakes, and come face to face with King Kong 360 3D, the world's largest, most intense 3D experience.
Baby, you see the looks on their faces when they talk a lot of it.
Guys, this is how they make earthquakes in the movies.
Nothing. There's clean water for everybody.
Guys, look at the flood.
I think it's the Bates Motel, but the Alfred Hitchcock Brothers Psycho, starring Anthony Perkins.
This is from How the Grinch Stole Christmas.
Where behind the press sites is a perfect example of a set that is all designed around a vision speaking.
When we first began to sit down and talk about WaterWorld, I thought, what if the 747 goes down right in a big neighborhood?
This is one of the largest sets ever built for a motion picture. Despite the use of these realistic life-size sets, the film still contains over 500 special effects shots.
We don't work for nobody.
Which one of you is the witness? Speak now or you all get fried!
This is our turn.
We're just done with the studio tour. We're going up the escalator right now. We are going down to the lower lot. Okay, let's go. Let's go down the escalator. This series of escalators is known as the Starway, which joins the upper lot with the lower lot. This is the longest and steepest escalator series that we've ever been on. The Starway provides amazing views of the Universal backlot. We are heading to Jurassic World and will also be meeting Blue, the Velociraptor, at the Raptor Encounter.
Right now, she's asserting her dominance in the space, and she's really telling us with her body language that this is her spot. That's okay. That's okay, okay? Okay, you know, Blue is...
She really likes that shirt. Watch those fingers. Hey. All right, guys, all right. All right. Stick your fingers out. We'll get her acclimated to your smell, okay? All right, stick your fingers out just like that. All right? Now you can just slightly stroke under her chin. Yeah, she likes that. Yeah. You got you excited, huh?
Transformer The Ride 3D is an immersive thrill ride that combines 3D HD media and flight simulation technology. Riders will be placed in the middle of the ultimate war zone in the Transformers adventure. We did a couple more rides before heading back to the upper lot. Universal Studios at night is awesome with beautiful lightings, especially at the Globe Fountain, the most iconic symbol of Universal Studios. We also enjoyed our time at the Universal City Walk. We're done with the day, guys. The park is closed. It's 10 o'clock and we stayed till closing time. It was so fun.